everybody, what is up? It's Chainsaw Jenna. Thank you so much for joining me today. So it is September and fall is right around the corner. I don't know if you kind of consider this fall. Some people do, some people don't. But we're gonna carve something really cute. I love making these. They're such a fun fall project for carvers out there. It's a little bear and a pumpkin. Isn't he cute? He's so freaking cute. I love this guy. I love all my carvings, to be honest. But he's got his own little stem here, but yeah, it's just a cute little bear and a pumpkin. And we're gonna make one hopefully as cute as this one, or if not, cuter. This is my little log pile. It's getting pretty low, but I like to choose a log that already has like a branch coming out, so then that can be the stem of the pumpkin. Okay, this is my log. They say work smarter, not harder, even though there's a dolly literally right over there. I just decided to pick it up. I like to make things harder for myself. Now we need our saw. Hopefully it's filled. I have not ran it yet today. No, it's not. So we have to fill this bad boy out. There's like a little gross bug, and like they'll turn into the beetles. I don't even know what they're called. They scare the crap out of me. I hate it. Okay, so we're gonna start it off as if we are carving a bear. So we'll start with the bear head. I don't know. Every carve is different. Everyone starts different, but I feel like everyone starts off from the top down, not from the bottom up. So this is the front of the bear, and this will be the back, and then again there's the stem for the pumpkin right here. It's a little taller than what I want, but it's okay, we'll make it work. Let's stop talking and just Okay, so I don't know why I did this, but my first cut is not the usual cut that I do to make this guy. I went straight down like that. I don't know why I did that. I just decided to do that in a spare moment. But it's still gonna be a bear and a pumpkin, just a little bit different than what I showed you there. Yeah, it's just a little different. a pumpkin, so make it a pumpkin. And I ran out of gas. Carving part's done. Different than how I usually bake them, but that's okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and do all the smaller detail that the Saul cannot get, as in like the eyes and just touching up his ears and put his nose in, so. Ta-da! I think he turned out pretty good. He's not horrible. I got a little worried, but he's pretty cute. The next steps are obviously we're gonna burn them. We're gonna burn and then sand him down so all these fuzzies are gone. And then we'll go ahead and paint them up. So you need 3 colors: black, green, and orange. I could juggle 2, maybe. No, I can't. No, I can't. I can't juggle. I have many skills. Juggling is not one of them. No. And like this log is still pretty wet, but it's fine. Actually, this orange is like the perfect color orange. Probably should wear my mask. Okay, here's the finished product. Look how cute he turned out. I mean, he's not as cute as this one. I think this one turned out a little bit cuter, but that's okay. Again, I don't know why I made that first cut. Tried something different, and I don't know if I like it. But I'll flip him around here, and I'll show you the stem. Something just really cute. This guy's pretty heavy. He's got a lot of water in him compared to this guy. This guy is pretty light, but just super cute to have for fall. And who doesn't like a pumpkin and a bear? Not a pumpkin and a bear, but a bear and a pumpkin. Yeah. Thanks guys again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you give it a like and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.